Now I'm feeling myself take another deep breath, which I think is an indication to get started. But I also feel like sound is wanting to come. So I'm going to allow that to come through. So as I did that, I was feeling first like an expansion in this area, but then wanted to ground with the lower tone. And then when it came back, it started to swirl, which also wanted to ground. And then it just wanted to breathe, I guess. So we're taking in all of this energy, these thoughts, these feelings, these sounds to go into this drawing. I'm holding my hands like this balanced forces, but I'm open to receiving, and I'm seeing the crystal above her head here, which reminds me of the crown chakra and our connection to source or spirit. So I feel like there's going to be influence with that in here.